In this video, we're going to break down the fundamentals of building a plate for every meal. We want to make healthy choices simple so you can make them often. We provide practical tips and visual examples so you can see how to make healthy eating both easy and enjoyable. Hey there, I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist. I earned my Master's degree in nutrition from the University of Texas and completed my dietetic internship at a major university. In addition to this channel, I have a private practice where I help people just like you improve their relationship with food and their bodies through intuitive eating and other non-diet approaches. If that sounds like something you're interested in, please visit my website to learn more about my services. Grains provide carbohydrates for energy, along with B, vitamins, and iron. Protein foods help build and repair tissues, and dairy or dairy alternatives provide calcium and vitamin D. Of course, this is a general guide, and your individual needs may vary based on things like age, sex, activity level, and overall health. So it's always a good idea to speak with a healthcare professional or a dietitian to determine the right balance of nutrients for you. They might taste good in the moment, but they don't stick with us for very long. Dedicate a couple of hours each week to prepare ingredients or entire meals in advance. For example, wash and chop vegetables ahead of time, or cook a big batch of quinoa that you can use in multiple meals throughout the week. Leftovers are your friend. Don't waste them. Instead, repurpose them for lunch the next day or freeze them for a quick meal later. Butternut squash and black bean burritos, chicken and vegetable stir-fry, baked salmon with roasted vegetables, Greek yogurt with fruit and granola, tofu scramble with whole grain toast. As you can see, balanced plates don't have to be boring or complicated. There will be times when you feel off your game, and that's okay. The key is to get back on track as soon as you can without beating yourself up. Find what works for you. Tune in to your body's signals and eat when you're hungry.
Stop.
When you're comfortably full and satisfied. This can help you develop a healthy relationship with food and prevent overeating or undereating. Everyone has different preferences, dietary needs, and lifestyles. It's about nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. Check out the description box for links to the references and resources mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching, and happy balancing. By following the plate method, focusing on nutrient-dense foods, and adopting a mindful approach to eating, you can set yourself up for success. Start today and enjoy the journey towards a healthier, happier you. Find what works best for you and stick with it. With a little planning and creativity, you can enjoy delicious and satisfying meals that fuel your body and taste great. Experiment with new recipes, cooking techniques, and flavor combinations to find meals that you genuinely love. Involve others. Share your goals with friends or family members who can support you on your journey. Cook meals together, go grocery shopping together, or simply share tips and ideas. You can even freeze leftovers in single-serving containers for easy grab-and-go lunches. Now that we know the basics, let's put it all together with our plate method. Let's start by visualizing our plate. Canned beans and low-sodium broth are great for adding protein and fiber to soups and stews. And low-sodium broth can be used as a base for sauces and gravies. Keep nuts and seeds in your pantry for a quick snack or two. Add to salads and yogurt for extra protein and healthy fats. Nuts and seeds can also be sprinkled on top of finished dishes for added texture and flavor. Divide your plate into quarters, dedicating half of the plate to fruits and vegetables, 1/4 of the plate to protein, and 1/4 of the plate to grains. Frozen fruits and vegetables are also convenient and nutritious options. Frozen berries are great for smoothies, and frozen broccoli and cauliflower can be roasted for a quick side dish. Balanced eating is not a temporary diet or a quick fix. It's a sustainable way of nourishing your body that can be enjoyed for a lifetime. Start by setting small, achievable goals. Instead of trying to overhaul your entire diet overnight, focus on making 1 or 2 changes at a time. For example, start by committing to include 1 additional serving of vegetables in your meals each day. Once that becomes a habit, move on to another goal, like reducing your intake of processed foods or increasing your intake of whole grains. This visual guide will help you easily portion out your meals. Here are some practical tips. First, focus on nutrient-rich choices. Choose whole grains like brown rice and quinoa instead of refined grains like white rice and pasta. Opt for lean protein sources, such as chicken breast, tofu, and beans. And when it comes to fruits and vegetables, choose a variety of colors to ensure you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Try incorporating leafy greens, bell peppers, carrots, berries, and citrus fruits into your meals. Not only that, but over time they can increase our risk of developing chronic conditions. For breakfast, this could look like half a plate of berries and bananas, a quarter plate of scrambled tofu, and a quarter plate of oatmeal. And if you're plant-based, you can substitute beans or lentils for the protein source. The plate method works for all types of eaters and cuisines. It's all about incorporating the right balance of fruits, vegetables, grains, and protein into your meals. For lunch, try a half plate of mixed greens with cherry tomatoes and cucumbers, a quarter plate of grilled chicken breast, and a quarter plate of brown rice. And for dinner, how about a half plate of roasted broccoli and sweet potatoes, a quarter plate of baked salmon, and a quarter plate of quinoa. Remember, this is just a template. Feel free to mix and match based on your preferences and dietary needs. So by prioritizing balanced meals, we're investing in our long-term health and well-being. And if you'd like to work together, please reach out. We want to focus on including foods from all food groups at every meal. Those food groups are fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy or dairy alternative. That doesn't mean you have to have a little bit of everything at every meal, but we want to make sure you're incorporating these foods throughout the day. Let's get started. Let's talk about why balanced meals matter. Balanced meals help us feel our best from the inside and out. They give us sustained energy to power through our days and keep us feeling satisfied without the energy crashes that come with sugary foods. Balanced meals also help with weight management because they keep us full while providing just the right amount of calories. Plus, they reduce our risk of developing chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and some cancers. On the flip side, imbalanced meals can leave us feeling sluggish, moody, and hungry for more. Okay, let's talk about what makes up a balanced meal. Fruits and vegetables provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Here's a simple visual to remember the key food groups. Now let's apply this to some meals. For example, if you prefer a different type of grain, feel free to swap out white rice for brown rice or quinoa. So how do we make this work in real life? Meal prepping and batch cooking are excellent strategies for saving time. Keep non-perishable items like canned beans, whole grain pasta, and low-sodium broth on hand for quick weeknight meals. Stock your fridge with pre-cut fruits and vegetables to make it easier to throw them into smoothies, salads, and stir-fries. And finally, here are some simple recipes that follow the balanced plate method. Before we wrap up, let's talk about how to make this a lifestyle. Be patient and kind to yourself. Remember, progress over perfection. Make it enjoyable. Eating should be a pleasurable experience. Finally, listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. As we come to the end of this video, remember that balanced eating is an investment in your present and future well-being. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more nutrition tips and recipes.